Look at this beautiful hike starting from the ocean all the way up to the top of the hill where the windmills are. Beautiful views, just a relaxing and peaceful hike.
Oh my goodness. Can you believe it? I have to watch where I'm stepping. Oh my god.
You're good. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Ah! Come on, we got this, babe. Ivana, believe in me. It's gotta get easier the further we go down. It's gonna get easier, Ivana. Trust me.
Oh god, there's a big gap and hole right here into it. Oh, I think I got a little bit of blood there. What are you making me do?
I'm not making you. It's gonna be great. Go down there. We look at the ocean. You're gonna feel proud of yourself.
Do you plan to go all the way down or something?
Yeah, let's go, Ivana. As a wise man once said, YOLO.
Hiking to Windmill Point or Kincir Angin. That's our plan for the day. It's about 9:30 a.m. right now. I think I heard it will take about 30 minutes to get up there. I heard that is where we can see the most beautiful view of the island. So I'm excited to go up. But first we gotta walk to Long Beach from Coral Bay to get to that point. Wow, it's so quiet.
Quite relaxing, isn't it?
It is. Look at
Quiet. In a couple hours, this place will be bumping
it. Right,
with tourists and locals and day trippers.
right. Lots of restaurants here to get breakfast to start your day. But we're skipping breakfast because we want to get there early because I heard that it's gonna be hot during the day, so we're gonna try to avoid the heat.
All right.
That's a sign.
And so it begins. Not ideal.
Okay, lots of incline, guys. Going up, 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 up. It's only been like 5 minutes into the jungle, and I am sweating like a pig already. Whew, it's hot. I can't imagine doing this under the bright shining light of the sun. Okay, let's continue. Let's go. Now this is interesting. It looks like during the monsoon season there is a small river running by across here. Oof. Look at your sweat. Okay, I think we're almost there.
Let's
I
go.
think. I think we're here. Is that a windmill?
That's it. Okay.
Oh,
Interesting. Oh, there's two of them.
oh, two of them. So I heard these windmills are used to power the fisherman village we just saw yesterday. Look at that.
Very cool. And probably the solar panels.
Oh, the solar panels. Look at that.
Look at that. Renewable energy. Good job, Perhentian.
Okay, there's a resting point there. If you're tired of hiking.
Oh, something interesting over here. Jungle tunnel.
Jungle tunnel.
Looks cool.
Oh. Oh, look at the view.
Nice view here.
Look at the view. Wow.
All right, let's check out this tunnel. I feel like I'm in a fairy tale. Oh, I might go right down to the beach or to the ocean. Come on, looks cool, no?
Ooh, let's go.
Very excited. Let's do it.
Ooh, gotta be careful here.
Really glad we came at 9 o'clock in the morning. In a couple hours, it will be so hot.
Yeah.
And it's quite humid and it's quite sweaty, but it's definitely worth it.
Yeah.
Come on, look at that view. Beautiful.
Ta-da-da.
Dun, dun.
Can't do it as well as Steve. Woo-hoo. Wow. What's going on here?
What do you say, Ivana? Can you handle it? Look over here.
Ho ho ho.
Some sections, there's like 3 or 4 boards in a row missing. So we might have a gap like this big.
Right.
Can you handle it, Ivana?
Oh jeez, I don't know.
I think you can, Ivana.
Kind of scary, huh? Look
You
at
can
that.
do
Look
it.
at that.
Dun, 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 dun.
So some of the steps on the stairs are non-existent.
I'm scared to
broken.
step here. I feel like it's gonna go
Ooh, careful.
fall right through. Maybe stay to the side. Stronger.
Right.
Wow, Ivana. So what's the plan? You gonna make it?
I don't know.
Almost
Okay,
there!
let's
Can't
make it
stop
there
now!
at least. Okay.
Come on, Ivana.
What the heck
So
is
Ivana, that piece of wood, yeah, good idea. Step on the steel riser. There you go. No problem. Like a natural.
God.
Again, Ivana, step on the steel riser and stay on the side of the wood. Don't go in the center of the wood. It might bend and bust. Ivana, you're a pro. Ivana, you see that vertical piece of wood there? The long one? I wouldn't walk right across the middle of it. Keep 1 foot on the steel. Your right foot on the steel. Yeah, much better.
How about this one?
I would go against the railing on your left and go on 1 foot on the steel again. Good job, Ivana. Look at you. You're like a monkey.
Okay.
Celebration! Woo! Woo! Wow. Ivana, wow. You look like $1,000,000 over there. Wow, you look tough and rugged and beautiful. What a place to be, Ivana. What a place to be.
Alright guys, here we go. Oh, look at that. Can you believe it? I have to watch where I'm stepping. Woo! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just hope when I step into one of these bars they don't collapse. Look at these ones that has collapsed. I wonder why. Is it just because they're so old, or was there a natural disaster that destroyed all these beautiful stairs? Who knows? Let's keep going.
You can do it. Right across the middle there is good. Where those two concrete planks meet. That's good. Because underneath those two concrete planks where they meet is steel. So you'll be okay.
Ah!
Doing good, Ivana. Doing
Oh
great.
jeez.
The wood here is pretty good. I would go 1 foot on the wood, 1 foot on the...
Oh,
Concrete.
I got nothing to
Steel,
hold
I mean.
on to. That's the thing.
Oh, nothing to hold on to.
That's
I think that's part of it. Here, hold my hand.
Oh my gosh.
Hold my hand.
Ah!
Dun 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 dun. The most dangerous hike in America. Don't be nervous, just walking.
Holy
The
shit.
wood is solid. Yep, that's good. And then left foot over here to the steel.
Oh my god.
You're good. Hold my hand. You're good. Dun 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 dun. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
Look at that. Safe, easy, nothing to worry about.
Okay. Keep going.
Of course.
Oh jeez. Oh god, there's a big gap and hole right here. Also, the handrail, they're rusty. So you gotta be careful when you touch them. I almost scratched myself on it. Okay, how am I gonna jump or go through this big gap? Look at this. Oh!
Wow, Ivana, you're awesome.
What are you making me do?
I'm making you. It's gonna be great. We go down there. We look at the ocean. You're gonna feel proud of yourself. Worth it. Don't stop now.
Okay.
Same time. Here we go. In unison.
Oh
Okay.
no.
Use the outside. So you 1 foot on the steel. No problem.
Oh.
Like this. Put your left foot there, babe. Same thing. 1 foot on the steel.
Okay.
Oh, watch out. This one here is gonna break. Look, this one here is about to break.
That one?
It's about to break.
Oh jeez, don't step on it. Okay.
Oh, look at this. Freshly paved. Easy section. Come on.
I think that one is gonna break too.
The middle one here.
Yeah, the first one
looks
there.
iffy. You're right.
Careful.
Sit on the outside of it. Step on the corner. More strong. Come on, we got this, babe.
Okay. Oh. In the name of adventure. Oh, look at all the broken, rusty metals from the handrail. So you gotta be careful too when you are holding into it. Oh, I think I got a little bit of blood there. Oh no.
Vana, check out this one.
Holy, oh my goodness.
Like jungle trekking or
Oh
something.
my goodness. Do you plan to go all the way down or something?
Yeah, let's go, Ivana.
Oh, Steve.
Here goes nothing.
Oh.
As a wise man once said, YOLO!
Okay, YOLO, here we go. Oh man. Oh jeez. Steve, is this the most beautiful or the most dangerous hike in Perhentian Island?
Maybe both.
Both. Thrilling and
Terrifying.
terrifying. And look at the view though. That's what we came here for. It's worth it, I think. All this danger stuff. Whoa. Okay, let's continue until we get down there.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Good job, Ivana.
Oh,
Be
man.
safe, go slow. It's not slippery, it's not wet, it's not windy. It's kind of safe in its own terrifying way.
I'm just scared of the big gap.
Right. Don't look down, maybe.
Oh man, how can I not look down? I gotta watch my step, man.
Good point.
Oh man, how do I even do this one? Okay. Ah! Oh my god, look at the rust on this one. Look at it's so rusty. Why? Oh jeez. Oh jeez, that one.
The problem is your feet have to go like beneath the handrail. So you gotta kind of go in. It's not over here. It's
Oh god.
it's kind of awkward. Good
Ah.
job, Ivana. Good job. Be safe. Yeah, that's safe.
What? This gap is so big.
It's all good. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. You're okay.
I think if I have a superpower, I would wanna be able to fly. Or teleport. I can
Teleport
just
would work too.
show up right there.
Good job, Ivana.
Okay.
I tell you what, it is dangerous, but it is rewarding. It is really, really beautiful on this side of the island.
That's right.
So pristine and so clean, and the boats going past really is spectacular. Although terrifying. Amazing that it's actually kind of a fancy design. If you look at the angle of the bracket on the side, and these steel cables are supposed to be stretched all the way across, it's actually kind of elaborate and fancy. It's just totally defunct and broken. Amazing to think these concrete and steel things just collapsed. I mean, it was laying across here at one point, and it must have just, the weight of itself just pulled it down. What an amazing reclaiming by nature. Nature is reclaiming this area as her own, and it doesn't get any easier. All right, Ivana, $1 million question. Do you want to keep going this impossible staircase?
Oh jeez.
What do you think?
Not really.
I'm okay to stop.
We can already see the view, the beautiful view from up here.
Right, we got the view, and we can see where the path goes. It just
Yeah.
seems to go to a dock that's broken, and
Right
there is no end point. It's just kind of pathway to nowhere.
That's
So
right.
I'm okay to stop. Is the hike worth it? I would say yes.
Yes.
Is the hike worth it to finish all the way? Maybe not. If the path was perfectly brand new, okay, go to the end.
Yeah.
But because it's so difficult and you're rubbing your arms on this kind of metal and hanging off of it,
Right.
and it feels kind of dirty, I would say worth it to go to the top, come down a little bit for fun, and then in the end, we don't really have to go over there.
That's right.
Although, in
still-
terms of things to do on Perhentian, this is a must-do. This is pretty fun.
A must do. The view, at least from up there or up here,
It's really great.
spectacular.
Yeah, agree.
Amazing. Yeah.
Agree. Okay, there you have it, guys. Short vlog for you today. Pretty epic over the staircase. Over the opening gaps. It was pretty epic.
Be careful if you decide to go all the way down.
Be careful.
Yeah, not to cut yourself on the rust.
Good point. Doesn't seem to get any better. Bunch of broken parts down there. Pathway to nowhere.
I wonder what happened. Is it just oval?
I wonder if it's some kind of defect because it looks so solid. It's like huge concrete and steel, maybe not steel, concrete and metal planks that have completely given way.
And doesn't look old.
Doesn't look old. Doesn't look cheap either.
That's right.
There you have it. Who knows? Okay, guys, stay tuned for more Perhentian good stuff. Today, I had a good time. Although we didn't finish the hike, we kind of gave up.
Yeah.
I would say do it. Recommend it.
Yeah, do it, guys. And the hike wasn't that long. It was like 30 minutes from the start of Long Beach.
That's all?
Yeah. It wasn't that long. And we were wearing like the hiking sandals. You don't need the proper hiking shoes to do it.
No.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. See you in the next one.
See ya.